What's up, y'all? It's your boy, your future boss. You already know. Follow me on Twitter at your future boss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Yo, I need you guys to like this. I need you guys to subscribe. For every view, I need a subscription. Come on, guys. Share this with your friends. I'm trying to get those numbers up. Alright, today I got for you guys a new unboxing. This is the TWS I11 5.0. This is it. We have this coming up. This is going to be a new, I guess, AirPod, fake, clone, whatever you guys want to call it. That is what we have today, and this is what we're going to unbox. So here we go. Let's do it. Alright guys, here we go. So this is it. Actually, if you guys noticed before, all the old ones came in white boxes, sort of like Apple. This one actually came in a blue box, and it says it's the new version 5.0. We'll see what it really is at the end of the day. So let's open this up. I got my handy dandy right here, and we're gonna break this package open. So it says with charging case. So it's supposed to have a charging case just like the AirPods do. And let's see what this is. Alright, plastic off. Here's the box. Let's open up. I'm gonna let you guys see it first before me. Can I get this undone? It's not as smooth as Apple, I can tell you that. And I have a pair of AirPods just to show a difference. Here they go. So here's a pair of real Apple AirPods, and these are them. They look very similar, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing is they don't say the, you know, made by Apple, but they do look similar. The button, there's a button here, and theirs is at the bottom. On the other side, looks pretty similar. Opens the same. The color, the white is not the same as you guys. This looks a little bit more clear. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Maybe it's the lighting, but it's a little bit different than the other one. Alright, let me see how you take these apart. Okay, here we go. It does have the same lightning connector at the bottom, so they've been pretty good at that for a while. Alright, not as smooth as Apple, but hey. Alright, so after it's off, the white does look similar. And let me look at that. Wow. It really looks similar, but as you guys can see, yeah, that is at the middle here, and on this one it's at the bottom. This is more like a chrome color as opposed to this one being like a aluminum-ish gray color. So that's another difference. Let's see the snap. The front is different a little bit. Let me see if these do the Apple snap. Nope, they do not have the same, they do not at all. So as you guys know, you're gonna hear this with the Apple, and they have the magnet that actually closes it. This does not. So yeah, there's no magnet that's holding it. You actually have to close them. But as far as the actual AirPods themselves, they look very similar. Let's take a look. So it does have the magnet inside there. So this is the real one. This is not. So it has these same similar lines here, but it does not have this, which is, this is the AirPod 2. So it does not have that, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to. And then you can see it's a little bit bigger and longer than this one. So slight differences. Both have the chrome on the bottom. This one's more in a circular, and this one has like two, I guess it's the charging. Oh, I guess I turned it on by accident. We got all different colors showing up. That's crazy. I wonder if, where's my phone? I wonder if it's trying to connect to something. I'm not getting any connections, so yeah, does this one do this? Yep. So I touch them, they're doing blue and red lights. I have no idea what those are. I'm gonna have to look in the instructions, but yeah. I guess it does, but the magnet, yeah, it does have a slight magnet. It does have, but it's not as strong, so that's why I didn't feel it at first. And the top is very wobbly, so yeah, I can see the inside. So these two little dots here is where it charges at. From the inside of it, you can actually see them deep in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's deep inside of there. Yeah, I'm gonna test these out, try them out, see compared to these, how far they go, what's the sound look like, things like that. Alright guys, so I've played with these for a little bit. These are not Apple AirPods at all. So as you guys know, when you pull out those AirPods out of your ear, they will stop playing. But if you noticed that these things are still playing while they're not in my ear at all. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's pretty low, but they're still playing. So they're in the charger and they're still playing. It's really crazy. So these things are not Apple at all. These are very cheap version, remake of them. Like, yeah, it's just, yeah, it's wild. But I just wanted to come back and tell y'all, because like I had to check that out after pairing it up. These things are not Apple at all. This is not even close. I saw online, like they had a version that was really close and really similar. These are not them. So don't buy these. So if you see these TWS I11, don't buy these. These are very cheap knockoff. I just wanted to see what they were like, and yeah, pretty much got my money's worth for these. So yeah. If you really want a cheap pair, this is like a gas station pair, pretty much. Like if you bought these from 7-Eleven or something, then okay. But as far as putting money into these, not a good idea. Don't get these. Garbage. If you guys want to see another video on these, please comment at the bottom. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and until next time, it was your boy, your future boss. Peace.